This is me again. This is I. This is actually another special surprise by my lovely wife again. It's a limited edition, Doctor Who limited edition Loot Crate box for my birthday. It arrived early apparently. And I'm gonna open this one. As you can see, it is definitely a lot bigger than the other Loot Crate box. And at least we know it's specifically toward Doctor Who. So let's see what's in here. It's definitely a huge box. I don't even know what to expect at all. I didn't even know Loot Crate had such options. Okay, I'm liking the box. I'll show the box at the end real quick. For right now, I'll show you what's inside of it. Okay, there's a little paper. Don't care. Okay, it looks like a shirt. I'm gonna guess it glows in the dark too. Put it on the table. Maybe it's viewable. Don't look at me. Nice. It's nice. It's kind of like almost reminds me of South Park-ish type animation. Chibi type characters. I can't tell if it's on the dark. I'll leave it up though. Maybe it will. Okay. Okay, a little Doctor Who in your pocket. It looks like a little sound effects going on. Let me try one real quick. Oh my god. Oh, my wife is gonna like this. It's sprinkles. And she is like, I would say it's kind of like a little hobby of hers, collects different types of sprinkles. It's an interesting. And oh wow, it's little TARDIS's boxes. I wonder if you could try to get a close look at it. If you could tell that maybe the light's not good. I don't know. Okay. Hopefully, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's the best I can do right now. Yeah, what else is in here? That is pretty cool though. I don't even know if I want to use that. I wonder if this is the one from Think Geek. Or like it's the little sonic screwdriver. I don't know if it's the one from Think Geek. Think Geek one has like I think a stand and everything. It looks pretty cool still though, regardless. Pretty nifty. Okay, and then keep going. It looks like just a little vinyl figure. It's the TARDIS as well. I think I'll open it real quick. Just really quick. See if it has anything special in it. Damn you. There we go. Okay. Feels pretty. Kind of feels like a rubber type device. Like, yeah, it has that rubber smell. Let's see. I think that's it. It's like, yeah, I like it. Still nifty. Okay, I'll put that there too. And what else is in here? Step inside. Okay, this is just saying what's in there. Okay, and there's like a nice little thing of, I guess, the Doctor's like kind of silhouette looking, I guess, hairstyle. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then the last item in here is a Doctor Who Loot Crate exclusive Doctor Who comic. Okay. And then I'll show, that was the last and final item, and I'll show the box. As everyone knows, Loot Crate has a nice fancy design on the box. I like it. I don't even want to get rid of the box. Flip me inside. Oh. I see. Really? This is gonna make me do this? Oh dang. How am I gonna put it back together? I don't even know. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I think I did something wrong here. What? I'm so confused. Okay. Okay. Goes like that. Oh, I see. I guess they overlap. Dang it. This is a lot more complicated than it looks. No, not that way. I might have to do this a little bit later in terms of fine adjustments, but yeah, I'll have to read it, but you can get the gist of it. I'll probably later have like a better finish. Okay, that's about the gist of it. Of course, I'm gonna have to. Oh, that's awesome. That's even cooler than I thought. That's cool. I like that. Best box ever. Okay. And that's all. As I said, that was just me rushing it. I don't want to spend like 20 minutes on it. I'm pretty sure everyone would love watching me spend 20 minutes on constructing a box. Okay? Yeah, that's all. I definitely like this one. I approve this message.